Hey guys, this is Dano again here at Hidden Bigfoot Laboratories, and I got my hydrogen generator built. It's a wet cell. I got my hose coming out, but it's not producing anything yet. I've only put in tap water, and I am on well water here. I don't know how much of a difference that makes, but my water isn't treated. But, oh, by the way, my battery, it just gave me a warning that low battery, but it still says it has 55 minutes. So if it just dies if the video stops in the middle, I'll try to make another video from where I picked up. But alright guys, we have the hydrogen generator. We have just a glass of water. And there's 2 quarts of water in it. I don't know if you can see the line. I think you can. Right here, that's exactly 2 of these jars. And now right here I have a battery charger that it don't put out 12 volt anymore, but it works great for little projects like this. I can't use it in the garage. I just didn't want to throw it out. But here, let me turn my light on. That might help. I think that's creating a glare. Alright, we'll leave that out. But now we'll alright, we're gonna add some lye to it now. Actually, let's hook this up and we'll just watch till it starts bubbling. And I really want to get this one going, so I'm really going to put the juice to it, or put the lye to it. And I'm not afraid of corrosion, since I'm about to replace it when I get my stainless steel. Yeah, I do believe we're hooked up. Alright, can we still see? Yeah, we can see. And the lye I have, it's in real clumpy stuff. My uncle gave it to me. He makes his own soaps sometimes. We'll just start with a partial spoonful on there. I hope that's all I dropped. I don't see any more than those 2 pieces. And if you ever start having a reaction with lye, I believe it's vinegar you can pour on you to cancel it out. Just in case that I do start having a reaction, I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar on me. Because nobody wants to have a lye reaction. I don't know if you saw the movie Fight Club, but they talked about it there. It's supposed to be incredibly bad. But I got my vinegar close by. Alright, let's see if we got any